Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into Real Divine. Before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you so much for the likes, subscribes, comments, shares, everything, watching my videos. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for the support. And if you are new here, I please ask you to like and subscribe and comment down below anything that may help me on my journey into YouTube. I'm new here. I plan on posting 2 to 3 times a week. Let's get into why you clicked on this video, which is for this ultimate natural hair starter pack. Number 1, you want your handy dandy mist sprayer. Please never spray your hair while it is dry. Spray your hair while it is dry. What am I thinking? Never comb through your hair while it's dry. Okay? You are asking for breakage. You are going to pop your hair. Not good. So please always make sure your hair is nice and wet. Never go without it. Number 2, your wide tooth comb. Please, while you are combing it while it is wet, you want to use your wide tooth comb or your fingers. That is up to you, because I know some people finger detangle. But while your hair is wet, you want to use something like this, so things may be better and brighter for your hair's future. Thank you. I'm Ryan Lawrence and I approve this message. Number 3, conditioner. You need conditioner. Condition your hair. Moisture. Your hair needs moisture. You want dry hair? By all means, go ahead. But you won't be seeing any good curls because I'm currently going through long-term dry hair, and it is really hard for my curls to come out on the top because my hair has been dry. So I'm trying to save you guys from that. Condition your hair, moisturize your hair. It is very important. I just want you guys to listen to me. I just want you guys to listen to me. I'm just joking, but please do listen to me. Moisturize your hair. Number 4, gel. You cannot go without gel. Gel is like, at least I can't, you know? You do everything with gel. Gel is amazing. You use it all in your curls, use it for your edges, use it to keep, I'm using it right now to keep this intact. Like, gel is amazing. Number 5, Denman or Tangle Teezer. These brushes are amazing because they help to activate your curls in such a beautiful way. You guys will see videos with me using it. But these two are amazing, and Tangle Teezer is awesome too because they have travel brushes too. I will show you mine sometime. You should get it. Number 6, swoop, 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 swoop. Everybody loves to do their edges. I can't think of one person that doesn't like to do their edges, and that's why you need your toothbrush with your gel. Number 7, very last thing that you'll be needing in the starter pack is your oil. And if you haven't seen my video on this, you can click up above or in the description box. This oil promotes fast hair growth and it is great for your scalp. You are ready to start your natural hair journey. Thank you so much for tuning into Real Divine. Please like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed, beautiful day because you guys are all beautiful people.